Have arrived in Scotland. Well, the border of the UK and Scotland. So we are doing a little bit of a 360 view here. Stand by, folks. I just don't know, might have to stand there. So let me quickly run over the road here. It says, welcome to Scotland. So yeah, there's Anya there. She's going to have her phone taken out by a truck coming past. Alrighty, so stand by, folks. So here by Scotland. So this is welcome to Jacob's Well. Starting to rain a little bit, but we will manage. Yes, we can. Very nice area. I'm going to do some drone footage over the river here. Alrighty, so there is the board for the Scottish border. Okay.